In the world of military aviation, few aircraft have left as lasting an impression as the Fairchild C-119 Flying Boxcar. The C-119 first took to the skies on November 17, 1947. Fairchild Aircraft, an American company, designed this beast of the air. The Flying Boxcar could carry troops, cargo, and even vehicles. The United States Air Force introduced it into service in 1949. The Indian Air Force saw the potential of this incredible machine. They acquired their first C-119s in the early 1950s. The Flying Boxcar would serve the IAF for over 3 decades. It finally retired in 1985. The C-119 earned its nickname Flying Boxcar for good reason. Its boxy fuselage could swallow up massive loads. This unique design made it perfect for transporting bulky cargo. From war to peace, the C-119 was always ready to answer the call. The C-119 Flying Boxcar was a marvel of engineering. Built to carry heavy loads over long distances, it could transport 62 fully equipped troops and haul 10,000 pounds of supplies. It stretched 86 feet long with a wingspan of 109 feet. Equipped with 2 Pratt & Whitney R4360 engines, reaching speeds of 281 miles per hour. It had a range of 1,770 miles. The C-119 Flying Boxcar proved its worth during some of India's most challenging times. The Sino-Indian War of 1962 was a true test of the aircraft's capabilities. It transported troops and supplies to the front lines. High-altitude airfields posed no problem for the C-119. Its powerful engines allowed it to operate from short, unpaved runways. The Indo-Pakistan Wars of 1965 and 1971 saw the C-119 once again rise to the challenge. It played a vital role in airlifting troops and equipment. The aircraft's large cargo hold proved invaluable. During these conflicts, the C-119 also took on more daring missions. It was used for paradropping troops behind enemy lines. The C-119 became more than just a transport. It was a symbol of courage and determination. The C-119 Flying Boxcar wasn't just a warrior, it was also an angel of mercy. When natural disasters struck, this versatile aircraft was often the first to respond. During the East Pakistan crisis of 1971, it airlifted essential supplies to refugee camps. Its ability to land on short, unprepared runways was crucial. The C-119 became a flying ambulance, bringing relief and hope. The C-119 Flying Boxcar wasn't just a workhorse, it was also a flying classroom. The Indian Air Force used it extensively for training paratroopers. The aircraft's design made it ideal for this crucial task. Its large rear door allowed for easy exits. Trainee paratroopers could practice their jumps in realistic conditions. The C-119 could carry a full complement of paratroopers. This training paid off in real-world operations. But the Flying Boxcar's versatility didn't stop there. It was also used for aerial firefighting. Special tanks could be fitted in its cargo hold. The C-119 could reach remote areas where ground-based firefighters couldn't. The aircraft's durability was legendary. This reliability made it a favorite among IAF pilots and crew. As we look back on the C-119 Flying Boxcar's service in the Indian Air Force, its impact is clear. This remarkable aircraft shaped the IAF's transport capabilities for decades. It set the standard for what a military transport should be: versatile, reliable, and tough as nails. The Flying Boxcar was all these things and more. The lessons learned from operating the C-119 influenced future aircraft acquisitions. Its ability to operate from short, unprepared runways became a key requirement. The large cargo hold and rear loading ramp became standard features. But perhaps the C-119's greatest legacy is in the stories of those it served. Ask any veteran IAF pilot or crew member about the Flying Boxcar. The C-119 wasn't just an aircraft, it was a trusted companion in the skies. Though it no longer flies, its spirit lives on in the Indian Air Force.